Melissa. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first impression of this little palette from Tarte, and I'm going to show you how to create this makeup look. So be sure to keep watching to see all of that, and don't forget to subscribe for more makeup reviews and product tutorials. To start, I've already applied some face makeup and brows. I'm going to be doing my first impression of the Tarte Tartelette Flirt eyeshadow palette. This is a super cute little travel size palette. It has 6 shadows and a mirror. It is the Amazonian clay, which Tarte uses in their shadows and other products. And it comes with Gaze, which is like a beigey kind of shadow, Touch, which is a metallic brown gold, Hotline, which is a warm kind of sienna type brown, Playful is a medium matte brown, Passion is a mauve metallic, and Snuggle is a darker matte brown. To start, I'm applying Gaze, which is the beige, all over, and I have already applied a little bit of eyeshadow primer. So this is going to do 2 things. It's going to set that eyeshadow primer, but it's also just going to give us a nice even base to work with. Gaze definitely has quite a bit of orange in it. It's a very, very warm beige. I'm going in with Hotline, which is that sienna matte brown. I'm using a diffused crease E38 Sigma brush, and I'm going to apply that in the crease and also on the bottom of the eye. This is a really pretty warm brown. It blends out very nicely. The nice thing about this palette is I do think it's great for travel because it's so small, but you can definitely create everyday looks with it. I also like that the shadows are very buildable and you can get a deeper color by adding more layers. Next, I'm going in with the color Touch, which is that metallic copper. I'm going to be focusing that in the center of the eye on the top and bottom. I did get just a tiny bit of fallout with the metallic eyeshadow, but it was very little. I'm using a Snuggle, which is the dark brown, in the outer V. Top and bottom. And that is blending like a dream. I'm applying Clinique's Pretty Easy liquid eyelining pen on the top. I'm going to add a little mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. The lashes I'm wearing are from Kiss, and they are the Lash Couture Collection Camisole, and they are a lash that has a ton of volume. It's actually 3 lashes in one, but they are still very lightweight. I'm using Becca Low Light Sculpting Perfector to add a little contour. I'm using my favorite, the Becca Chrissy Teigen palette, and I'm applying the bronzer first. I'm applying the Hibiscus Bloom blush from the palette. I'm layering rose gold right on top. I'm using Ofra's highlighter Rodeo Drive to add just a little extra highlight. And for lips, I'm using Beige Champagne from LipSense, which you apply in 3 very thin layers. Let it dry between each layer. I'm applying Glossy Gloss on top to seal the lipstick. And the great thing about LipSense is once you apply it, it's not moving. It's going to last all day. So you can kind of just apply it and then not worry about it. So here's our final makeup look. I'm definitely loving the copper vibes. Overall, I give the Tarte Tartelette Flirt palette a huge thumbs up. This is a small but mighty palette. This palette has metallics, it has mattes, it has a bunch of colors that you can do everyday looks, or you can amp it up a little bit with the metallics for more of a night look. The shadows blended very easily, they were easily buildable, nice and pigmented, very little fallout. So my first impression is that I would highly recommend this little palette. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if this is a look that you would try out. Let me know what you think of the Tarte palette if you have it.